In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace a product on Amazon. Whether you've received a damaged product, a defective one, or perhaps the wrong item altogether, following these straightforward steps will have you set up with a replacement in no time. To get started, you'll first need to sign into your Amazon account. Once you're logged in, head over to Your Orders. This is your main portal for tracking, managing, and modifying your previous purchases on Amazon. You'll see a list of all the things you've ordered organized by date. Now, locate the specific order that contains the item you want to replace. This might take a bit of scrolling if you shop on Amazon regularly. Once you've found it, direct your attention to the right side of the screen where you'll see the Return or Replace Items option. Go ahead and click on that. You will then be prompted to choose a reason for the replacement. Amazon provides a list of common issues such as the item being damaged during shipping, being defective, or even if you accidentally received the wrong item. Make sure to select the most accurate reason, as this feedback helps Amazon maintain quality control and can also ensure a smoother replacement process for you. After you've selected your reason, follow the on-screen instructions from Amazon, which may include selecting how you will return the original item. This part is usually straightforward, but pay close attention as the procedures can vary depending on the specific situation and the item being returned. Next, it's time to return the original product. Amazon will guide you through the return process, including printing any necessary return labels and how to package the item. Be sure to send it back by the return by date to avoid any additional charges. This is an important step, as returning the item late could result in you being charged for both the original and the replacement product. Finally, your replacement item will be shipped to you. The great news is that Amazon usually processes the replacement using the same shipping speed as your original order. This means you won't have to wait any longer than initially expected to receive your replacement. And there you have it. By carefully following these steps, you'll smoothly navigate through the process of replacing an item. It's a supportive system designed to make sure you're satisfied with your purchases, and with this guide, you'll master it with ease. Happy shopping, and always remember to verify the condition of your items as soon as they arrive. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.